Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this new morning. Had our breakfast, and now we are leaving our homestay from Nongstein and ready to explore the rest of the Khasi Hills, this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Early morning, the traffic usually is not so much. We decided that we will head steadily, not so fast, not so slow, but slow and steady. My friend asked me, where should we head now? I told him, the road is ahead, let's ride. While on our way, we will decide which place to go. Best part of Meghalaya, the road itself is so scenic. If you have your bike, you just need to ride. That's enough. I will say that is enough. Now, while riding, we stop at this place. Such a beautiful place. Meghalaya. The place where no matter how many times you visit, no matter with whom you visit, every time you will have some amazing experience. Personally, I have been to Meghalaya a lot of times. But every time, you won't believe, it seems untiring. Such is the beauty. After stopping at this place for some time, having a good view of the area, we decided to head ahead. And my friend told me that most probably we will be crossing the Markham Valley area in this direction that we were riding. So that was a good news for us. We decided, let's see Markham Valley. Markham Valley, basically, most of you must already know, but let me tell you, it's like the mini Zuko Valley of Meghalaya. So we are heading towards that.